Okay, this is what we got. Boiler. Zone valves. Determined this zone valve end switch is faulty. Zone valve was calling and it was open. It wasn't turning the pump on. So we are going to get this changed out. I don't have any place to put you. Let's put you right there. Yes. Can you see me? Zone valve head. So I'm going to take the end switch wires off. And I'll go wire for wire. I don't know how they got this wired up. Some of the older valves you can't do this. You gotta change the whole plate in between. Valve. Whoa, whoa. And we'll just line that up there. There we go. Okay, and then end switch wires and whatever, thermostat and power wire. Oh, that's smoking hot. Smoking hot. I'm gonna go acid. People wire these things up in the goofiest ways. Phone never stops ringing. I wish they would change these terminals. I really do. Change them to like a push terminal. like the White Rogers. But I hate White Rogers valves. You get under there. Right on. And I'm just putting end switch wires on. Oh, let's see. Make sure you remark it. What's today's date? 26. 4/26/21. That is today's date. What's calling? Anything calling? I'm gonna have to go upstairs and call for it. Why is it firing? There's nothing calling. Why is it firing? Maybe it was from a previous call? Pump's running. Why is the pump running? Pump's running. Let me figure out why the pump is running. Because technically it's an end switch that should make the pump run. Alright, dummy me. Wasn't watching on what I was doing. I had this wire here over my end switch, so I had constant power. So now let's try this again. Oh, I gotta. Oh, let me see. Let me turn that off. Turn this off. Connect this. Watch what you're doing. Okay. Okay. So now, there we go. I just hit the end switch, so I think he's going to try to fire. And since it's not getting the call, it'll shut off. I'll turn the thermostat up. Okay, dummy me, when I wired this up backwards, yeah, popped the transformer. Shit happens. Got a new transformer up there. And we will watch this move. Comes down, hits the end switch, pumps on, dampers open, and we are good to go. But it goes to show you, pay attention to what you're doing, because it will screw up. 3rd floor. What does that say? This one goes here. 2nd is that. And this one goes here. So it sucks to be me. Ate a transformer. That's what I did. But it could have been worse. Could have popped the board, but didn't do that, which is a bonus. So just pay attention to what you're doing. So we're just going to charge the customer for his own valve, labor, and that's it. We're done. We're out of here. Because basically, when you screw up, you screw up. Don't try to blame it on something you didn't do and be dishonest with the customer. Own up to it. Well, certainly sometimes I just suck doing stupid shit like that, where you got 3 sets of wires there and you freaking get one mixed up and you short something out. Well, dummy me did it. No excuses. That was just downright stupid. Didn't pay attention. So I ate a transformer on that one. Nothing you can do. I mean, you can't be dishonest with your customer. They will catch you, and then you're gonna have to backpedal on that one, and that's not gonna work, and then you're never gonna be in the house again. So just bite the bullet on a transformer and call it a day and get it done. So he got charged for his own valve and some labor and a service call. That's it. The only person I'm mad at is myself for being stupid. That's all you can do. That should have been a 10-minute job. It turned into a 25-minute job. So that's what happens when you don't pay attention. So just kind of learn from this one. Be honest with your customers, and pay attention. I will see you on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe.